Alright, everybody, we're gonna have some fun in this little room. We're gonna have a 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS. Here you go, specs. Nice, it's got the 350 V8. 50,000. Okay. Let's check that out. Alright, is this one gonna be worth it? Let's have a look. Super Sport. Alright, here we go. Here's your side. Interior, here we go. Backseat memories, everybody. Come on. Good old days. Yes. Alright, next up we got the GTO 455. 1970 Pontiac GTO hardtop. Let's check that out. A 400 V8, a 4-speed manual. Asking $59,900. They want $59,900 for that one.
What is it? What is it?
Alright, let's check out. Look at that. This is nice. Alright, here we go. Interior coming in. Nice black, jet black interior. Love it. Alright, next up we're going to the 1951 Ford Victoria hardtop. Alright, here's your specs as we walk around it. Look at the flathead V8. They want $26,000 for this. Okay. 26 grand. Gotta love the front ends of these things. It's just mean looking Ford. Alright, here we go. Alright, what about the blue and white? Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Just like you're driving. Alright, there's that one. Alright, look at this. Look at this Chevrolet right here. Alright, try to guess the price before I give it to it. Here we go. Interior. Oh my god, look at that. Plenty of room. Alright, heading over to the sticker side. Nice. Okay, did you guess? We got the 1957 Chevrolet S10 station wagon. 383 V8. There's your specs. Alright, they're asking $54,900. Alright. Alright, heading over to the yellow guy. Look at this. Another Chevrolet. Alright, it's a 1955 Chevrolet. That's 10 two-door sedan. There's your specs. You want $46,000 for it?
That car is what you're going to pay.
Look at that. There you go.
It's a whole new thing. And every trim piece is there. Yeah, you could probably buy that car for $4,000.
They say, what is this? What is this? What is it, everybody? This is the only Straightly in existence. Okay. Interesting. So you're actually seeing the only one in existence. Let's check out how much you want for this. It's got a Hemi 331. Holy crap. All right, here's your specs. All right, they want $39.9. All right, I'll go over on the other side. I can check it out. Hang on, everybody. Ooh. Can't look, as you can see, I can't squeeze around that side. Okay, let's go. As you can see, they got a Hemi one there. Love it. Oh yeah, look at this. Wow, that is, oh my God, look at this thing. Jeez. Interesting. For the back seat, they had that in there, and the front seat. All right, that is awesome. Come on, everybody, give it up for this. Look at this. What do you think? That is something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at, check this out. I don't know what the heck this is, but a Wine Peddlers cart from 1800. Look at that. Made in Italy. My God, look at this. Yo, that is awesome. I love when you go to the back ends of stuff, you can see like just stuff that you never see before. My God, look at that artwork on this. That is awesome. I can't get over. Oh man, there's no room to get over on behind this one. Let's check that out. Carriage. You know what? I might be able to squeeze over here. All right, look at that carriage. Okay, what is this thing? Look at this race car, bro. See, look at this. This needs some work to it. Here's a buyer's guide. If it means anything. No idea. All right, let's check it out. What the heck? Since I'm in the back corner already. I mean, what else? Okay. I'm like in the back. That's fine. Doing this for everybody. Remember that. Yes, my name is Mr. Reese. I do this. A lot of people probably can't get out and travel, but at least you can see stuff. I mean, hopefully you're seeing stuff you never saw before, or are happy with the channel. Something to do. I'm just bringing you a whole bunch of stuff. 2025 is here. Thanks for being a part of this channel. I mean, when spring comes, everybody, don't worry. I'll be heading out to the farm shows, tractor shows, demonstrations, you name it. I wish this had a thing on it where we could actually see, but okay. All right, we're gonna keep going. Let's go. What else we got over here? There's an old freaking monster over there, but let's check this out. This one, oh, it's a newer vehicle. Sorry, everybody, but what are you gonna do? It's stuck in here. Newer meaning after 1970s. We got the 1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. They're asking $18.9 for that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna end up on that red car over there. I'm just gonna go around. Got the old Pontiac Grand Prix. Look at that. Gee, that's a monster boat. My God. Sorry for the light. It's blinking in here, so if it's making a little weird stuff, of course you hear the buzzing. Fluorescent lights, you know that. All right. But I'm going to end up on the 1949 Ford Custom Convertible, everybody. Here you go. So this one we're looking at 400 V8. There you go. Pontiac Grand Prix. They want $19,000 for that. Okay, here we go. We're ending up on the 1949 Ford Custom Convertible. Here you are, everybody. Ford Custom Convertible. Here's your specs. And they're asking 61.5. What do you think? Jeez, look at this. What do you think, everybody? How you like that? Oh my, okay. Let's check out. Nice, you can barely see the tires. What do you think? Pretty fire. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. See ya.